How to fix Meta AI chat not showing on Messenger in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open Messenger, and if you can't find here Meta chat search, then go back and open your App Store and then search here Messenger. First of all, check your Messenger updates. If you have any update of your Messenger, then update your Messenger. After update your Messenger, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, then here you can see the option iPhone storage. Now click on iPhone storage and then scroll down and click on Messenger. Now here you can offload your Messenger. Now click on offload and offload app. After offload your Messenger, then reinstall app. After reinstall your app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.